Hello guys and welcome everyone. Today I am hereby to give a presentation on data structures and my topic is graph database for knowledge management, abstract of this project. In this presentation I had proposed a specific graph database application for streamlining major knowledge management processes. I had developed a property graph data model to facilitate the process model of knowledge management, and I will give a small introduction on me. Myself, G. Sainath Reddy, having a PIN number of 21955A2109, and I am from Aeronautical branch, and my topic is graph database for knowledge management. Introduction. With the advancement of emerging technologies, knowledge management continues to assume an important role in organization. Big data poses challenges for organization in collecting and utilizing huge amounts of data, but also creates opportunity for them to capture and discover new knowledge to facilitate further development. In addition, graph databases are particularly useful in handling data elements that have complicated relationships. Due to the unique features, graph databases have widely applied in various areas such as fraud detection, real-time recommendation engines, master data management, network and IT operations, and identity and access management. Knowledge management process model. In this slide, I am going to give information about how the knowledge management process will be. Knowledge management can be implemented as a series of processes in organization. To be consistent with the traditional landscape of knowledge management, the following processes moderate by a knowledge management system are considered in this research. First, knowledge needs to discover either from existing documents or knowledge or tactic knowledge from knowledge worker who have the experts and then capture and created. Second, knowledge must be codified and stored for future retrieval purpose. Third, knowledge need to be transferred and shared. Depending on the nature of knowledge, different processes will be used. Finally, knowledge obtained by recipients will be applied in specific task, and knowledge used will be assessed for its quality and performance. Let us observe this graph or this photo clearly. The figure 1 will shows or gives an information about the data flow diagram of a knowledge management system. This figure is based upon how the data flow will be takes place in the knowledge management system. Figure 1 shows a data flow of a major process. The system suppose process 1. In the figure, it allows knowledge worker to register the new expertise and update their existing expertise listed in the knowledge. Data stores D1 maintains an experts directed for all knowledge workers in the organization. Process 2 in the figure 1, it enables knowledge workers to search for existing knowledge residing in organization, either the knowledge manifested by the document stored in the repository or the tactic knowledge associated with one or more knowledge workers. Keywords are attached to a document or a knowledge worker so that people can use them to search for a specific purpose of knowledge. Data stored D2 and D3 from the figure 1 are used that knowledge and the metadata for tactic knowledge. From figure 1, process 2 and 3 all facilitate the matching process of locating a particular document or an expert based on the knowledge original request. All through the system timing is not completely modeled in the data flow drawing. The system will always try to match specific documents with the requested knowledge keyword. Only when such documents are not available will the system that recommend that potential knowledge expert shares the tactic knowledge. External knowledge is not considered in the system. That is, it is assumed that the system will not resort to external sources for knowledge capture and consistency. However, in the future, extension was not modeled in this presentation. The system will be able to interface with other external systems to allow outside experts to interact with it. The process model serves as a foundation for the development of a data model that can facilitate the required process for the knowledge management system. The next section illustrates a conceptual model based upon the traditional data-based approach. By now, we will come across a second type of graph representation, that is relational data model. Following on the process model, the conceptual data model can be developed to reflect the situation when a relation data graph design is adapted. To be consistent, the data store model in figure 1 should be considered in the conceptual model data. Let us consider this figure 2. This figure 2 gives an information about the relation data model of the knowledge management system. By considering this figure, now we will know about the figure in briefly. Figure 2 demonstrates the relation conceptual data model in which 4 entities are created to reflect the process facility needed. Shown in figure 1. The expand entity source a list of keywords and the description. The document entity keeps the major characteristics of each document, such as its document ID, name, description and time. The relationship among these 4 entities are quite complex, respectively. To implement this conceptual data model in a relation database management system, which is also known as RDMBS. RDBMS means Relation Database Management System. It's very important for us, and all the many relationship need to further reduce, which means additional relation need to be introduced, because they are currently 2 binary and 3 unary many relationship. 5 additional relations should be constructed to fully implement the data model in an RDBMS, where RDBMS stands for Relation Database Management System. And it is evident that the implementation of this model is quite cumbersome. In addition, the newly introduced relation will negatively influence the response time of the query search the database, because individually tables need to be joined to return the result of each query. The next section describes how a property graph database can avoid these potential problems in a relation data model. By the previous slide, we can able to know some information about the relation data model. Now we will come across third type, property graph data model. A graph database can be conceptually illustrated through a property graph data model. A property graph contains all the interconnected nodes used to hold the attributes that describe each node. One special aspect of graph data models is that all the nodes can be tagged with label to indicate their role in the domain. The lab's conceptually role can be effective in modeling the different role assumed by the knowledge worker in an organization, which is an additional benefit of applying graph database in this situation. In a property graph data model, relationship also exists but are used to connect nodes. Like those in a relation data model, relationship can have property to describe how 2 nodes are related. However, a relationship in a property graph is directional. Conclusion. By this presentation, we can able to know by this presentation we can able to know we had come across 3 different types of graph representation methods in which which we will use in our daily life, and by this presentation we can come across a conclusion, that is knowledge management continues to assume an important role despite the changes landscape of technology infrastructure and organization. Emerging technologies provide opportunities for companies to manage their technology assets with more innovative and effective methods. Relational database have been the core components of knowledge management system to facilitate common knowledge management process and organization includes knowledge capture, storage, transfer, and application. Due to the complex nature of this process, it is cumbersome to design, develop, and implement a system based on relation database to facilitate them. Graph database can be good alternative to traditional relation database as a core components of a knowledge management because of the special features. These presentation propose a specific application of graph database in streamlining the major knowledge management processes. A property graph data model is presented in accordance with the conceptual relation data model to facilitate the process model of knowledge management.